Hey. Oh no. Whoop! Forgot about that part. Is there any cover? There's none. That guy is like completely in the open. Oh, and there's the guy over there. Walking. That's not bizarre at all. If only could figure out where you were. Yeah, that thing has a lock on it. Okay, and you are somewhere around there. Wait, maybe I can get a better angle. Gotcha. I heard a sound I don't like. Oh, okay, we got a roamer. Going back to spot le cam. Dun-dun. What weapon do you have? Alright. I'm not gonna take any chances. What else was on the list? Farscape. Who here watches Farscape? Or has ever watched? It's pretty old. It's about this human who does this little test drive in this sort of space shuttle, gets sucked into a wormhole and comes in distant space and tries to get home. It's basically that in a nutshell, but it's a really creative show. It's got, first of all, it uses animatronics, barely any CG, which is really cool. Like, it gives us this organic feel, and but it's a bit hard to see through in the beginning because you're like, oh my god, use the CG and not animatronics and shit. How do I? Oh my god, you guys spawn infinitely. They go on all sorts of crazy adventures as a bunch of rogues, and it's pretty fun. It's kind of like Firefly, I want to say light, because it's pretty dark at times. Maybe Battlestar Galactica light? Oh! Any more? Hmm? Alright, fine. Oh wait, that guy had a first aid spray. I'm gonna run towards him like an idiot. Don't forget, there's one guy down here. Yeah, got it. Stay in cover. Is that someone up there? Yeah. Oh, you just come down, huh? We can talk about this, like civilized beings. Guy's got a rocket launcher, which I tanked like a boss. No. That was a JJ sound. Fuck, fuck. You're not doing what I think you're doing. Dude, I was there! What's wrong with you? Oh my god. Right, one more. Did we do it? At the expense of great health due to stupidity? Did we do it? I think so. Music stopped, that's always a good sign. And then more enemies spawned. I think that issue with the hertzes on my camera might actually have been the thing that caused my camera to freeze, or at least seizure somewhat. I don't think this was actually not that hard, it's just slow and boring. Oh, please let that be it. But I can't jump down here? How about here, huh? Thank you! And then 20 JJ spawn. Okay. I can do this. Don't worry. Feels good, feels good. Brushing feels good. Now this is the end for Mike. It's been years since I saw this cutscene. Take cover! This one goes like, oh yeah, survival instinct. Good stuff.
Thanks. When we get out of here, drinks are on me.
Yeah, hey, I know a good bar.
Mike!
Mike!
He died for our
Make sure
sins.
you're the next to go, Sadler.
Ooh, I'm sorry, Leon.
Sadler, you bastard!
It's
Let's not subtitle
nothing
that.
to be upset about. Don't tell me you've never swatted a bothersome fly. In essence, it's the same thing.
What did you say? Insects' life doesn't compare to human lives.
When you've acquired this power, you too will understand.
Guess it's another good reason to get the parasite out of my body.
I wish you luck.
Oh, that's my kind of you. Yay, free items. Money, which I'll never spend. Da-da-da. Yep, stuck. Oh! Oh, I can just say, Mike! Oh, I'll make sure they'll pay. Yeah, from this point forward, I'm not gonna know any of the dialogue anymore. It's way too long. Like, usually I played up until about chapter 4, and after that I usually get bored of it. At least when I did my massive amount of playthroughs. So chapter 5 is always a bit new terrain. I wanted to say turf or terrain, couldn't decide, so terrain. Terrain. For me. It is kind of cool to kind of remember how my first reactions were, because I remember in that previous room I was really on my guard. I was like, okay, that rocket launcher dude is still near. He's gonna kill me. And here I was constantly expecting parasites to pop out of the ground, because it's really that sort of area. Hey, Pearl Pendant. While in fact, it's a cutscene I haven't watched in ages.
Leon, you okay?
Yeah.
Try using knives next time. We're better in close encounters. Yeah, she took his word.
Sorry.
We have to get that parasite out of your body.
Yeah. But before that, I gotta save Ashley.
Fine. Let's split up.
I always thought it was a kind of nice detail. Like, he gives her advice to use knives in close encounters, and she does it. What the hell? I don't even remember this hallway. My God. Oh no. Oh. But what I remember, it won't be alerted to your presence if you're just walking. But that's like ancient technology. Because there's a regen here. And it's the only region I remember that has a fifth parasite on its back, or a sixth, whatever. God, this hallway always scares me to death. We are really low on everything, especially healing. Let's organize this. Why am I organizing now? I'm probably gonna die in this room. I'm not gonna risk my life for that. Hello, Homer. Fuck, forgot about that drawer. There's a drawer here somewhere. Yep. With magnum ammo. Nice. I'm just gonna save for no apparent reason. Come on, you little Jambi. I'm gonna run past you. Damn it, I could open that as well. That sounded really fucked up. I'm just saying. Whoop. Whew. Now this part, oh boy. This is what I like to call Striker All Out. Why do I call it Striker All Out? Because usually I've been saving up so much ammo at this part that I had a Striker, which was completely filled with ammo, which is 100 rounds, and at least another 100 rounds. So I just steamrolled this place. Constantly. It was great fun. This was actually my most fun part of the game, I remember, because I could just steamroll through it. Now, I'm low on health, low on ammo, and this is going to be really hard. Really, really hard. No. I don't even feel like doing this part. I just want to run through. I have no idea where I'm going. Probably should go this way. Oh. Fuck. 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 Not taking any chances. Damn it! Fuck you! Oh. Did he have a key card? I think he did. Oh my god, so many enemies! Hey! I said thank you. And dead. Maybe we should just kill everything. Could try that. Let's try that. avoid that, can you? Dead. Screw you both. Dead tired of this. The shielded enemies. Well, that did absolutely nothing. What? There's like a trillion of you! My God! Oh, great! Just great! Ah. Arrows everywhere. How is this even remotely possible? Oh my God, this is pure torture, man. Alright, I need to funnel them.